Without lip oil or lip gloss, is your makeup truly ready? It's Alexandra with WTI, and I found the perfect shade of light pink in a creamy, long-lasting lip oil. It's the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the shade It's Giving Guava. I love that this lip oil is perfect by itself or as a lip combo. It leaves my lips feeling super hydrated, yet not sticky. I really like that, while it's a light shade of pink with some hints of orange, just like guava, it's very pigmented, and I like the way it looks with my skin tone. The applicator is amazing. It glides smoothly and comfortably across the lips. I use this lip oil at any time, whether I'm doing a more elevated makeup look or even if I don't have a full face of makeup. I just feel like it elevates the way I look and deeply hydrates the lips. The size makes it super easy to fit, even in a small purse. And the smell? It's just like bubblegum. This lip oil is the perfect choice for any time of the year. And that's my point of view.